Entering text on the course homepage. When it comes to developing your course, be sure to plan what and where you want materials to appear. So for today's session, I will show you how to create text and content inside of an e-learning course. If I want to add a title in my course homepage and mention the topics my course will cover, then I want to use item. So from the course homepage, I select the Build Content button, and from the drop-down list, select Item. Now that I'm inside my item page, I'll go ahead and create a name and enter the text the fall semester. Below, the text editor has several options typical in a basic word processor program. You can insert a hyperlink, an image, or a table. You can also change the font's appearance and alignment. I can start typing now, but if I copy and paste from a Word document, then I need to select Remove Formatting. And here's my text. I'll go ahead and highlight Getting Started and make it a header. As for the topics, I'm going to make them a bullet list. The last two things I want to check. I want to make sure that the text box content is still accessible by looking at the accessibility checker. And if I want to review and make sure that the text in the text box appears correctly in my browser, I can select the preview command. Once I've finished typing, I can scroll down and look at my attachment options. Note that I have two choices. If I have not previously uploaded a file, then I'll have to go inside Browse My Computer and select a file to attach from my computer's documents area. If I've already uploaded a file, then I can select Browse Content Collection. Below the attachments are standard options. By default, you see that users, anyone who has permission to access this course, can immediately see what is written in the content and access what is probably attached to the files. You can also choose to track the number of views or perhaps select a date time restriction. You can specify date restrictions for a particular item. If I wanted to make this item available within a specific date range, for example from December 1st to December 5th, I do not want this item to be visible outside of that date range. However, since I know this is going to be a title that I want students to be able to read whenever they log into the course, I'm going to skip the standard options and just select Submit. And now you see that I've added this item to the course. For more information about adding and editing and managing your content, you can watch our other tutorials or email us at elearning@utdallas.edu.